everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to change the video page size in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva and click on Video. Choose a size for your new project that fits your needs. Locate the video you want to edit. Then click Add to Page. Right-click on the video and choose Set Video as background. Next, go to Resize. You can select from Canva's existing sizes or choose Custom Size. Input the desired dimensions and click Resize this design. Click Resize this design again to confirm the changes. And there you have it. Your video page size has been successfully changed in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.